Hi, thanks for watching. Today I wanted to share one of my most favorite cooking hacks, and it's garlic, one of my most favorite ingredients. It has tons of flavor and it has also a prebiotic fiber, inulin, so good for your gut as well. So we're going to make cooking with garlic a little bit quicker, and this is what we're gonna do. First, we're buying in bulk peeled garlic already, and then we're going to use a colander and a food processor here. So first, we are going to open up our garlic. This is about 3 pounds of garlic, so you better like garlic. All right, so we're going to actually go ahead and take this over to our sink. All right, so we're gonna take our garlic, dump it all in here. We're gonna wash it really well. And we're actually gonna pick out the garlic that don't really look very good. So there could be a lot of these, so definitely watch out for them. All right, we got that nice and clean now. All right, and then we're gonna take this over to our food processor. All right, so here we go. We have our garlic, we have our food processor. We'll go ahead and plug that in. And then we will do this in batches because this is too much garlic. Although, who can argue with too much garlic? All right, so this is what we're gonna do. You're going to mince that up. Go ahead and get a little spatula. Wipe down the sides here. And do this as finely as you like. I like it pretty minced here. Wipe down the sides again. And I have it pretty minced pretty well there. All right. I'll actually take this and get a gallon size Ziploc bag or whatever size you want to use. I like the gallon size because I use a lot of garlic. So we'll go ahead and pull this off. Grab a big spoon here and start putting it into your Ziploc bag. Alright, let's try that again. Remember to lock your food processor in place before you put it all in there. Okay. can take this Ziploc bag and we will mush it flat. I'm not going to close this yet because I'm going to fill these other 2 bags and then divide it evenly. Alright, and then I will take these and mush these in here also to evenly spread it all out. Kind of like the way that this feels. It's kind of like a stress ball. So you don't want to lay this too thick because we are actually going to put this in the freezer and then you'll pull off chunks as you need them. So if you like it really thin, you can actually use 4-gallon size Ziploc bags and that works great. But I normally just do 3 and it works just fine for me. We have our first one right here. And we'll toss that aside here. Go ahead and lay your garlic in the freezer flat, and then you'll have fresh minced garlic for any time you're cooking, and it doesn't have that weird kind of flavor that I really don't like that come from those pre-minced jars. So this is what your end result looks like. You have a frozen piece of garlic sheet. You can go ahead and open it, and then just break off a piece of garlic and then toss it on your pan or in your recipe, and it works great, saves so much time. I hope you enjoyed my cooking hack. Thanks for joining.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.